हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं राहुल अग्रवाल फिर लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए एक बेस्ट अफोर्डेबल एंड हॉट लोकेशन प्रॉपर्टी। This property is a commercial space which is located right next to the metro station in Balewadi. It is a 8,000 square feet built up, 5,500 carpet, commercial sanctioned independent building. You can see this is the metro station and this is the main road which goes to Sadanand Hotel from Baner Fata, and the property is just 100 to 200 feet from this main road. So you can see this is the property. I will show you from inside now. So as we enter, you can see there is enough parking for many four-wheelers and two-wheelers. DG set भी है और ये बैकयार्ड है. It is through and through. यहाँ से लेफ्ट जा सकते हैं आप. तो जैसे ही आप एंटर करोगे, on the left side you have the lift, and this is visitors bathroom. Side this is toilet bathroom. As soon as we enter on the first floor, और ये राइट साइड पे लिफ्ट और ये स्पेस. इस स्पेस की खासियत ये है कि ये कॉलमलेस स्ट्रक्चर है, so it can be used completely for commercial, for showrooms, back offices. You can design as you feel. So this is the sort of a pantry area. This is an extra area which can be used as a pantry. It has a storage. Balconies. This first floor has two balconies. This is a small balcony on the right side and one small balcony on the left hand side. And this entire space is 1400 carpet. सारे फ्लोर्स आइडेंटिकल है. 1350 से 1410 का कारपेट है. So the terrace comes with extra space. This can be used as a storage or machine room or anything. So this is how the terrace is. This is how the building looks from the exterior. So I will take you to the terrace as you have seen the internal of the first floor. So there are 4 floors to this building. So we have reached the 3rd floor now. तो ये 4th floor क्रॉस किया हमने. आ गए हम अब terrace पे. You can see the terrace is covered partially. You can see this is the awesome coverage. Awning से cover किया हुआ है. This can be used as a canteen space or maybe a labor tent or however you want to use it as. So this is the view from the neighborhood. यहाँ पर कैंटीन का पूरा सेटअप दिया हुआ है. कैनोपी लगाई हुई है पानी का टाकी ऊपर. So this can be used as a canteen space. You can see Orchard School right in front of the premises. On the parallel road, you can see the development, all the corporates in there, and business spaces. This is the metro. This is the main attraction of this property. You can see it is a stone throw away distance from our property. So here is the metro station. There is the Shakti Sports, and this is the metro ka bridge. So coming to the commercials of this building, 70 rupees per square feet, 70 rupees per square feet on built up. This is the rate we are offering, and I can challenge you will not get this price anywhere in Baner or Balewadi. The value what this property is offering is way more than what we are paying for. So let's not miss this opportunity. Just give me a call on 7756987020 now. पूरी बिल्डिंग का रेंट है 5.5 लाख negotiable. So there are 4 floors to this building. I've shown you one floor. I've shown you the terrace. You can figure out how do you want to make your fit outs. This can be used as a retail space. This can be used as a bank or any other co-working space or commercial space or business space. We are not very favorable in giving to PGs or lodgings or that sort of services. So this is the 4th floor. I've shown you the first floor. This is the 4th floor. This is how it looks. Same extra area which can be used as pantry. You can see POP is also done. So all the major work is done. इधर balcony नहीं है left side पे, पर right side पे balcony दी हुई है. This can be used as a smoking space for people who smoke in the office. This is extended balcony. It's quite huge. You can see. This is how it is. On the 4th floor, this stage sort of a thing they have given. So this can be used for gatherings and stuff. Property unfurnished है. So basic काम किया हुआ है, tiling, electricity, wall painting, POP. So you have a freedom to make and design as you like. So you can see our business zone is just walking distance from our property. ब्लू लोटस स्पा है, इसके पीछे जो देव एक्स लिखा हुआ है ना, वो बिल्डिंग हमारा बिजनेस जोन है. ये आ गया चौक, वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है बिल्कुल. ये आपका आइकॉन बिजनेस स्पेसेस आ गया. ये सामने एक कमर्शियल स्पेस है, वो एक कमर्शियल है, ये BZ है, ये कमर्शियल है.